Welcome to Meet Rebrandly, the series where we take you through some of the exciting features that Rebrandly branded links have to offer. Today, we're taking a look at traffic routing. Rebrandly's traffic routing feature gives you the ability to send your audience to different destination URLs other than the default. This can be based on a variety of factors, such as date, language, user location, and more. This incredibly useful feature means you can direct customers to different pages, each tailored specifically for them. So, how does it work? Well, traffic routing is a rule-based feature. It will search to see if a click matches a configured condition and then redirect based on that rule. First, select a branded link, click Add Options, and then Traffic Routing. A pop-up will appear with a variety of conditions to choose from. Select the one you want to set up. Once your first rule is selected, you can either add another one, Rebrandly allows you to set up to 50 rules per link, or finalize the rule by adding your destination URL. When you're happy with the rules you've set, click Save, and they will be applied to your branded link. All clicks on this link that are not subject to these rules will be routed to the default destination URL. By bringing up the traffic routing pop-up, you will be given an overview of all the rules you've created for the selected link. These rules can be edited at any time, and as a reminder, Rebrandly allows you to set up to 50 rules per link. For developers, dynamic link routing is also available at the API level. Traffic routing may not be available with all subscriptions. To add this feature to your plan, get in touch on rebrandly.com/book a demo. That's it for today's Meet Rebrandly walkthrough. Happy branded linking!